Hey guys, Ed here. Just continuing my analysis for the 13th of July 2012, continuing on from the dollar index. Just let's have a quick look at what I'm expecting to happen today, or what I would like to happen today on the euro, based on what we are looking for on the dollar index, and see how that manifests today. So looking at the Euro 15-minute chart, I like to do my planning on the hourly and 15-minute chart. Because I've done my planning on the hourly on the dollar index, now I can look on the 15-minute chart and decide what I would like to happen on the dollar pairs. So starting with the euro, I've got clearly defined zones of support and resistance, and then my intermediate zones based on the trend lines, also support and resistance pivots, S1, S2, and stuff like that. Okay, so we can see this trend line. This is, by the way, the plan from Wednesday, which you can see price got into our zone perfectly, double top to lower high, and then we've had a nice move down. This trend line has been respected quite a few times. I'm gonna draw it with different color just to distinguish the trend line. I don't want to indicate anything else. I didn't reload these trades or anything like that. So we've had quite a few times. So we've had quite a few touches here, and once he broke out, it also retested it here. So what I would like to happen is another retest of this trend line, which would also indicate a move up to double top on the dollar index. If you haven't seen that, please take a look at that first before looking at these setups. And so I would like a retest or close to a retest of this zone. That's why I've drawn this the trade plan this way. So price popping down to around or between 2166 and 2158, or anywhere around that 50, probably 70 to 40 zone actually. So price popping down to there, and then we can take some longs up. Now, as I explained with the dollar index, I am expecting a retracement as traders start to take their profits before the weekend and reducing their exposure before the weekend. So, and we are due a retracement anyway. So I would love for this to happen. I would take this trade without thinking twice, and without confirmation, unless we get some news out, which is obviously you know, you can't just take a long trade blindly on the euro. But okay, so let's have a look at the trade plan for the pound. I am expecting the pound to be a bit weaker starting off, so I would like this to pop down to the 53.80 area to 53.70. Pop down to that area, which is about 40 pips down, and then I would like to look for hesitation here to take this long back up to at least the pivot, but ideally I would like it to break the pivot or give us. I will take some of the position off at this point, but you can probably see something like this happening today. Or we could just get a grind up, but we'll see. That is what I'm waiting for. I'm not looking to enter any trades in between here, unless we go up first and then we try and short down, but that's also possible. If we do go up first, the first area I wouldn't short it at the pivot yet. I would like it to poke through the pivot and then take it short. But my ideal scenario is a move down first in London and then a retracement in New York. And Aussie dollar popped down on the Aussie dollar as well, first between 101.20 and 10100, and then we can take it long pre New York and in the New York session. Hopefully we get some of these setups today. This is what I'm waiting for, and I hope you guys have similar plans. Please do share them if you agree, or if you disagree, even better. Maybe you can identify a mistake I've made somewhere, or well, it's just an opinion, we're trading. So okay, but that's it. That's it for my trade plan on the 3 major pairs that I look at. And thank you for listening. Take care.